Thank you so much for checking in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, we'll check out this. So this is a PHEV Noir Edition, graphite gray with black roof. Now, when it comes to Noir Editions, there's three options you can get. Fully black, graphite gray, or this graphite gray with black roof. And in this video, we'll check out this third option that I haven't covered yet, graphite gray with black roof. Now, if you want to browse my channel, you will also see the other two videos that I was talking about, fully black and graphite gray. And this one here, it looks really, really cool. Let's get going. Let's have a look exactly inside, outside, how this Noir Edition a little bit different than just the regular Outlander PHEV GTP. So thank you so much again for checking in. Let's get going. And let's check it out. We'll start from the back view this time around, and then we'll check the front and then inside. This Noir Edition is such a great thing that Mitsubishi came up with, and we can see how nicely the black roof looks. I think, to be honest, from all the options, this is my favorite. Looks graphite gray with black roof. It's very subtle, but it's noticeable a lot. Today is a very bright day, so maybe certain angles as I film this video, it blends in a lot, but in real life you can definitely see the difference very much. And of course, the roof rails, we don't have the the aluminum looking roof rails. We have everything blacked out, roof rails, the antenna, spoiler, and we can see how this plastic here contrasts with the black one. Then here around the windows we have it's not even like, fully black. It's just like same thing, like a graphite blackout almost, where typically the chrome line would be. And we have nice Noir badging right here, black wheels. So same wheels as any other 20-inch wheels that you can find on Outlander. Is just painted black, and that what gives you this visual difference on these wheels. Again, they look really, really cool. What I really like about it, you can see that these lug nuts are this special graphite or black as well. So not only the wheel, but the lug nuts as well. That's what makes this vehicle look real cool. We do have black mirror caps right here, and we can see the plug-in hybrid EV sticker. So I wish they would make this one black as well. Then it would look even more so Noir Edition. And then a few things on the back here. Now we can see that the lower bumper part is painted black as well. Normally it would be silver, but since this is Noir Edition, so they made that choice, and that looks like $1 million. Very impressed on how it looks visually. And we do have these Outlander and PHEV and Super all-wheel control badges here as well. Again, I would think the best looks would be if it all would be blacked out, but if it's not, that's okay. I still really like this looks. Now let's check out the front look, and then we'll check out the interior. And this is how we're looking from the front perspective. And this vehicle, by the way, it's already sold. One of our best sales guys, Ali Reza, sold it to his brother. He's picking up this vehicle a little bit later today. Very happy with his choice, and a lot of family members and friends are buying these PHEVs, and especially the Noir Edition. So that tells us that the product is really good. Now, when it comes to a visual upgrade, so we can see how dynamic shield is blacked out compared to just the regular chrome looks. This is how it would look a normal PHEV, and this is how it goes on this Noir Edition. Even around these fog lights right here, this one is all blacked out to complete the entire looks. Of course, the grille, the cross line, black Outlander hood emblem, and lower bumper part garnish piece is blacked out as well. Overall, gives you very nice looks. I really like the fact that this emblem is still chrome, so that to me is a good touch that it's not blacked out. I don't mind the fully blacked out version, but this one here, it definitely just sort of like jumps out as a Mitsubishi pride and logo, the 3 diamonds. So from here, of course, we can notice the black roof as well, the black roof rails and the mirror caps. So very good looking exterior, no doubt about it. Those wheels, they look like $1 million. I've done in this channel many times all sorts of chrome deletes, visual upgrades, and this just looks absolutely awesome the way it comes from the factory. Now let's check out interior, and let's see how the interior looks. Okay, we're opening the door. Of course, as a proper black edition, the seats are black. We have black roof liner, Everything looks Noir Black Edition like. Now this trim level, the Noir, is based on GTP, Canadian spec, so the premium trim level would have massage seats, which this one has as well. The button to activate it here, or you can activate it also from there. And we have this special stitching and special panel design as well, but instead of being this two-tone, what GTP would be, this is all black, and that's how it looks. We of course have, you know, other features like head-up display, and we have cool heated seats. We have heated steering wheel for your you know, winter use, but right now in summertime nobody cares too much about those things. And as we jump in, we have the 360 camera, digital driver displays, what's standard already on all PHEVs. We have this specially etched around the shifter design. Again, it's a little bit different on just the regular Outlander, so this is something nice and new for the Noir edition. Panoramic sunroof that is closed with the shade right now. Of course, you can open it up as you please. And what's really good right now in the let's open it up, in the summer travels, is for the second row you have this privacy shield that also blocks out good deal of direct sunlight. So if you want that, that's already built in here. It's a very, very good thing to have. The second row, the same nice black stitched patterns right there, and we have these special silver stitchings for the seats, which makes it even look nicer. Nice armrest. These back parts can be adjusted individually. You can slide the seats forth and back. Many, many good things about this PHEV. So there we go. We just checked out this beautiful, beautiful spec. It is graphite gray with black roof. Absolutely gorgeous PHEV. So thank you so much for checking out this video. See you next time around.